welcome to This Week in Android Development for July 22nd, 2013, live from our brand new Android broadcast studio. My name is Reto Meyer. Last week, the Google Play Games team put on a show to help your web games take advantage of Google Play Games services, and the Android Design in Action team cast a critical eye over one of our GDG App Clinic Oslo apps, as well as providing some insight into how to create a consistent design for your apps. Our Australian colleagues held their first fireside chat on making apps beautiful on Android developers backstage. And Ankur followed up with the next of his Dev Bites explaining how to make your apps beautiful on tablets. Not to be outdone, Chet was back for an exciting episode of his animation Dev Bites. More on that later. The Android Developer Survey is still open, but it closes this week. This is your chance to tell us what works and what doesn't, or just that we ask far too many questions. Next week, Ankur is back for more beautiful app Dev Bites, and Chet, well, you'll just have to wait and see what Chet's got in store. Last Friday's cricketing humiliation delayed our scheduled episode of the App Clinic when a drinking game involving the fall of Australian wickets went horribly wrong. It's been rescheduled for this week, but Australian viewers beware, it contains screenshots taken during the second test. This episode is a little different from our usual App Clinic format, with a deep dive into the architectural decisions and design that go into creating an efficient, low-latency sports score tracking app. So tune in and find out how to make your app's architecture as beautiful as its visual design. As always, you can go to developers.google.com/live/Android to see what we've got planned for ADL this coming week. That's all for This Week in Android Development for July 22nd, 2013, and remember that the dust from a distant sun will shower over everyone.